Okay, thank you for having me. You know, this is a sort of fixed expression that, for example, you are a guest and you go somewhere as a guest and they say, oh, thank you for coming here, or thank you for accepting my invitation. So you say, thanks for having me here as a guest.
You are a real trooper for coming.
You are a real trooper. Remember, trooper, an experienced entertainer, because you are going to see something bad has happened
Today, because I know you went to the dentist. And what did you have done at the...
So, because she went to the dentist, and of course she has, you know, some pain, and including everything, she could come to the, you know, program, and she was a sort of trooper. Okay.
The dentist today.
I actually had a surgery yesterday.
I actually had a surgery, okay, operation on her teeth.
And I had a tooth removed, and
Tooth removed, I mean the dentist extracted or removed the tooth.
I saw myself last night, and I looked like
So she said that I saw myself. Actually, she looked into the mirror and she saw herself without a tooth. So she felt that
yeah, it was not appropriate. So
it was not appropriate. It was not suitable. Okay.
I realized I had to go and get another tooth today.
Oh, you're toothless.
So she had to put another tooth into the blank space. And so you're toothless without tooth.
When I got a tooth in. I'm wearing all my teeth for you tonight.
Oh, that's...
So I am wearing all my tooth. That was a mistake because plural form of tooth is teeth. So she quickly corrected herself and made a correct sentence like
Tonight.
Oh, that's not...
Wearing all my teeth for you tonight.
Oh.
tooth, teeth, very quickly.
Oh, that's nice of you to wear all your teeth.
Oh, that is really nice of you. Okay, so it means that you are a very nice person. You are a very kind person. You deserve this compliment. You deserve this, applause.
I figured I should do that.
Are you injected?
So I figured I should do that. I realized that I should do that.
With various
No, I'm not
painkillers?
So are you injected? Injection, okay? Remember the syringe and the medicine inside with all the various painkillers. Various means different kinds of painkillers, okay? Killing the pain, remember?
I'm not so numb anymore, but I feel...
So it says that I am not so numb anymore. It means that, okay, I don't feel any, numb on my, let's say, tooth or on my face, whatever.
Feel a little like I had,
The pain is coming back?
That's a little throbby.
A little throbby, okay? Sometimes I feel pain, she wanted to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tend to have that effect on
It's
women.
not
Actually, I wanted to have that effect.
you. It's
It's
not you.
not me.
It's not you. It's not you.
By the way, speaking of...
By the way, speaking of an effect, you see? So the topic was about effect. So he wanted to make a sentence before forgetting it. So he said that speaking of, what was the topic? An effect. Okay? And?
effect on people.
Yeah.
Now, Guillermo told me a story, and it's a pretty crazy story.
So, pretty is one of my favorite words. It is very beautiful, okay? You emphasize, you underline your sentence or your sentences, let's say. Okay, it says that it is a pretty crazy story. Pretty means very, okay? Pretty means very crazy story.
So, and I know to you it's not probably that crazy because you're you, but Guillermo's son plays soccer.
Yes.
Soccer. You know that Americans call normal football as soccer, and they call football, for their own kind of football. Understand? So soccer means normal football that everybody knows.
Your son plays soccer.
Yes.
And you guys met at, Guillermo.
We ran into each other.
We ran into each other, okay? We ran, run into, past tense, ran into. So if you don't have any plan to meet with someone and you meet that person unexpectedly or all of a sudden, you use this phrase as, I run into, for example, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Guillermo claims that you spotted him.
Claims. He believes that something will happen or something happened, but maybe nobody believes him. Okay, so this is called as claim.
Yeah.
Ran to him.
I did.
Hugged him.
So hugged, remember hugging?
And kissed him.
And kissing.
I did. And he, where is, there
he
you
is.
are.
Hi, how are you?
You could not have been any more cooler and
Cool, cooler, okay? Cool means nice, nicer.
I felt a little bit like I was having that fan thing. I was like, Guillermo! And he was like hanging out with all the
Hanging out, remember? Spending some time, actually a lot of time with those people who you really like them.
dads, and he was being really cool.
Oh, really?
Like he was doing the real, like, I'm hanging with the dads, like no moms allowed.
So it means that all of his friends were, men, so no female was allowed, okay?
And I spotted him because my baby.
And I spotted him, okay? Oh, I noticed I found him from far away.
He does like the baby class in the back, and I spotted him from afar, and
I spotted him from afar. Afar means far away, remember?
just like running like slow motion
Remember slow motion, okay?
across the park to get to him.
So she was running like a slow motion across the park, okay, from this part of the park to the other side of the park to get to him.
And he's like, hey, what's up?
What, Guillermo? What are you doing?
No, I was surprised, Jimmy. I was so excited when she gave me a hug and kiss, and all the father were like.
His behaviors were very strange because his friends were surprised because this beautiful woman, hugged that person, kissed that person. So who is she normally? Okay.
One of them went like this. Who's that? And I just like, one of my girls.
So who is that? She is one of my girls. Okay.
Oh, he's something
great.
else.
Yeah, he was like James Bond.
So thank you very much for watching and listening. So I hope to create some other videos like this again. Until that time, take care. Bye.